Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 800 watt space heater that this brand sent to me for the video. We're gonna plug it in a little bit so we can check how fast it is. Spoiler alert, I already did, and this one is really fast. Things that I like about this one is that you can use it freestanding with wheels, and the installation takes about like 5 minutes, no more than that. So you can just take it from room to room, like your living room, like your bedroom, like your bathroom. You're gonna take a shower or something like that, and these convection panels are gonna be enough to actually heat up that room like really fast. But the other thing that I like is that you can actually mount it in the wall. It's about like 25 inches, something like that tall, and it comes with everything you need for the installation on your wall, which I think it is really important in case that you need to keep it like fixated and on a fixed wall. For example, if you want to put it in your kids' rooms or something like that, you have everything you need included in the instruction manual. But most importantly, which I think this is really, really cool, I don't think I've seen any other company actually doing this. It comes with measurements, so you can actually use this to adjust what is going to be the brackets in the wall and just have a perfect installation. So I'm going to plug it in, but before that, let me tell you that this one also comes with a tie lock, and the other thing is a tip power protection. So if this one tips over, which I'm going to tell you it's not super easy because it's heavy and the base is actually really big with the wheels, but if it happens, makes this one to be a really good one for a home with kids and pets. So as I was telling you before, it's really easy to move from room to room. It comes with handles right here, and it says do not cover. So for sure, make sure you're not going to cover. It comes with a digital display over here and a few functions that I really like for this kind of like this compact size space heater. So then you're going to find with this touch panel, you're going to turn it on. You actually unlock it first, because with this one, you can unlock the main feature and you can turn on and off the heating. So what you're going to do first is going to actually take this one to the menu over here, so you can see that comes with the different modes and the different functions. So you have the different functions like comfort, economic, and thaw. So those are the ones that you're going to use. Let's use it just like comfort right now, and we're going to go to the other one over here, which is going to tell you if it is with the lock, if it has a buzzer for when something is happening, or like the tip over, and if you want the unit in Fahrenheit or Celsius. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back. Once that we are back, we go back one more, and then we turn it on. So this one's gonna be the indicator that is on. And then you have some more right here. You can put it a little bit like hotter for sure with this. You can lower it with these buttons over here, and you can set up the timer for, you can see that like 3 minutes, and you can keep going until you have like a really nice setup for you. It's actually hours, not minutes. So you can have that one to make sure that you have a really, oh nice. Yeah, this is pretty nice already. It's actually pretty fast. I have to say that it's kind of like fast in that way. But what I was just telling you before, that this one could be the good one just to make sure that you have a space heater for every room in your house, and for sure with all the features that you're gonna need for those situations I told you before, for the child and also for the pets, and the tip power protection. 800 watts, super easy to install, and remember, it also comes with the instructions and the setup for doing it in the wall as well. I like it, super compact, reliable. I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.